Good morning, students. Today we will study about the exercise 5.2 arithmetic progression. Question number 9. Question number 9. If the third term and the ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 1 respectively, which term of AP is 0? That means what we have the third term, and the ninth term, then we have to find out which term of AP is 0. So we are writing the equation. Exercise 5.2, question number 9. Yes. If the third term is 4, T3 equal to 4. That means what we have to write here? We have to write here A plus 2D, that is equal to 4. Equation number first. And next one, 9 term of AP is minus 8. T9 equal to minus 8. T9 equal to T9 is equal to minus 8. So we have to write A plus 8D equal to minus 8. A plus 8D equal to minus 8. That is equation number 2. We have to do something with equation 1 and 2. We have to do something with equation 1 and 2. Subtract equation 1 in equation 2. Then we have to write here A plus 8D is equal to minus 8 and A plus 2D is equal to 4. We have to change the sign because we are subtracting equation 1 in equation 2. So we have to change the sign here. 4 will contain the negative sign. 2D will also contain the negative sign. A will also contain the negative sign. Now here positive, A is positive and A is negative. Due to that, A will be the cancel later. Plus 8D minus 2D. That means we have got here the 6D equal to minus 8 minus 4. That is equal to minus 12. Yes. Now we have to write here 6D equal to minus 12. So D equal to minus 12 by 6. That is equal to minus 2. D equal to minus 2. Now next one, what they are asking? In the question, which term of AP is 0? Let we are assuming, let nth term, because we don't know which term of AP is 0, due to that we are assuming nth term of AP is 0. हमें मालूम नहीं है कौन सा AP का कौन सा term 0 है, so assume करते हैं nth term of AP is 0. So nth term of given AP is 0. So Tn equal to 0. Tn equal to 0. So we have to write Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn equal to formula क्या है? Tn बराबर A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have to put the value here. Tn is 0 because nth term of AP, given AP is 0. So we are writing 0 equal to the value of A. We didn't find the value of A. Here find the value of A. Put the value of D in equation 1 first. D का वैल्यू इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में डालते हैं, क्या होता है? A plus 2D equal to 4. So what the value of D? That is minus 2. So we have to write here A plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. A equal to A plus minus 2 into 2, 4 plus minus minus A minus 4 equal to 4. Here A equal to how much? 4 plus 4. That means what the value of A? That is A equal to 8. A equal to 8. So we have to write here 8 plus n minus 1. What the value of D? That is minus 2. So we have to write here minus 2. That means 8 plus n plus or 2 क्या minus plus minus minus. So we have to write here directly minus 2n. N minus minus plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2. So here we have to write n minus n is equal to 0. So n equal to 10. n उधर चल जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा, n equal to 10. So given AP nth term is 0. So we have to write with the statement. So 10th term of given AP is 0. That is our answer. 10th term of given AP is 0. Question number 10. The 17th term of AP exceed its 10th term by 7. Find its common difference. The 17th term given in the question they are asking 17th term of AP exceed मतलब बढ़ जाना its 10th term by the 7. So we have to write 10th term क्या है? T10 बराबर T10 equal to how much? T10 equal to A plus 9D. A plus 9D. T10 A plus 9D, that is equation number 1. T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. In the question they are telling 17 term of AP exceed its 10 term by 7. Find the common difference. So T17 equal to क्या हो गया? T10 plus 7. T10 plus 7. So we have to do something. T17 equal to how much? T17 equal to, we can write here A plus 16D. A plus 16D equal to T10 plus 7. A plus 16D minus 7 equal to T10. We have the another equation number 2. So we have two equation, both is the value of T10. So we have to write दोनों T10 का वैल्यू है, so ये एक दूसरे के बराबर हो जाएगा. From equation 1 and 2 we have to write from equation 1 and 2. Why we have to write from equation 1 and 2, my dear students? Because both is the value of T10. Because both is the value of T10. In the question T10 we can write here A plus 9D. That is the formula. You know very well. If we have to find out the T1000, then we can find like that. T1000 equal to A plus 999D. That is the formula for find the T1000. Due to that we are writing here T10 equal to A plus 9D. And in the question they are telling 17th term is exceed 10th term by 7. 17वां टर्म जो गिवन एपी का है वो क्या है? 7 ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है किससे? 10 टर्म से. तो इसीलिए हम लिखते हैं T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. और यहां पर हम क्या किए? T10 का वैल्यू हो गया T17 minus 7. तो T17 को लिख दिए A plus 16D minus 7 equal to 0. तो अब दोनों क्या है? T10 का वैल्यू है, इसीलिए हम दोनों को क्या करते हैं? इक्वेट कर देते हैं. So from equation 1 and 2 A plus 16D minus 7 is equal to A plus 9D. A plus 9D. अब यहां पर क्या हो गया? A plus 16D minus A plus 9D plus, sorry, if the 9 will come this side, that means left hand side, then it will contain the negative sign. Here A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equal to 0 plus 7. Because if the 7 will change their side, after that it will contain the positive sign. So we are writing only 7. Here A plus A minus A will cancel. 16D minus 9D. How much? 16D minus 9D. 7. That means 7D equal to 7. Now what we have in the question they are asking difference, common difference. D equal to 7 by 7. That is equal to 1. So D equal to 1. Right now we have the value of D, that is our answer. So CD. So we can write CD equal to 1. CD means common difference, that is 1. That is our answer. I hope all of you are able to understand this question also. Next one. चलो बेटा हम लोग एक्सरसाइज दूसरी एक्सरसाइज में जंप मारते हैं. आप लोग करना, अगर नहीं होगा तो मैं डॉट क्लास में आई विल सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. जैसा कि मालूम है मैं हर एक क्वेश्चन को लिखता हूं, तो आप लोग सॉल्व करना, अगर नहीं होगा तो फिर डॉट क्लास में हम लोग देखेंगे. देख लेते हैं एक बार और कोई और क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर each term of AP maybe will be 132 more than its 15 term. ये क्वेश्चन भी इसी टाइप का है. आप लोग सॉल्व करना, अगर नहीं होगा तो फिर बताना. कौन सा क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, कैसे बताएं? 18 का एक बार देखते हैं. Sum of 4th and the 8th term of AP is is 24 and the sum of 6th and the 10th term of AP is 44. Find the first three term of AP. 18 का. Find the sum of 4th and the 8th term of AP is. That means what? We have S4 and S8. The sum of S4 and the S8 equal to 24. So we are writing according to question S4 plus S8. Sum of the 4th and the 8th term of an AP is 24. That's the equation number 1, 24. And sum of the 6th and the 10th term of AP is 44. And the S6 plus S10 is equal to how much? 44. Now we have to write the equation. S4 को हम लोग क्या लिखते बेटा? S4 is equal to n by 2. What the formula of the Sn? At first we have to write the formula of the Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula for the Sn. What do you mean by the Sn? Sn means the sum of the nth term. So we have to write S4. S4 equal at the place of n we have to write only 4. S4 equal to how much? 4 by 2. 2a, 2 into a, 2a plus 4 minus 1 into d. That means how much? 4 by 2. That means 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1, 3 into d. That means 3d. That means S4 is equal to how much? S4 is equal to 4a plus 6d. That is S4. Now S8. S8 is equal to, and S8 is equal to, we can write here 8 by 2. N by 2 plus 2a plus 2a plus n minus 1. That means 8 minus 1 into d. 2 4 jai, that is equal to 4 into 2a plus 8 minus 1. That means 7d. So we can write here 8a plus 20, 7 4 28d. S8 is equal to 8, S8 is equal to 8a plus 28d. Now from equation 1. Now from equation 1 equal to S4 plus 8, S8 we have 24. So we can write here what is the value of S4? This is the value of S4. That means we can write here 4a plus 6d plus 8a plus 28d is equal to 24. How much? 4a plus 8a, that is 12a. 8 4 12, 12a plus 28 plus 6. 28 plus 6, that means 34d. 34d equal to how much? 24. You can take common 2, that means 2 common, that means 6a plus 17d equal to 24. We have right now 6a plus 17d equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. That is equation number 3. Now next one, S6. S6 is equal to how much? 6 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1, that means 6 minus 1 into d. That is equal to 2 3 is 6, that means 3 into 2a plus 5d. That is equal to 6a plus 15d. S6, sum of 6th term, and S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 into d. That 2 5 is 10, that is 5 into 2a plus 9d. That means we have 10a plus 45d. 10a plus 45d. We have to equation 3 and 4. We will make the equation number 4. So S6 plus S10 equal to 44. So from equation second, what the value of S6? That is the 6a plus 15d. 6a plus 15d plus what the value of S10? That is the 10a plus 45d. 10a plus 45d is equal to how much? 44. Now 6a plus 10a, that is equal to how much? 16a plus 45 plus 15. That means plus 60d is equal to 44. Now we can take common 4. We can take common 4. That means 4 into 4a plus 15d equal to 44. Here 4a plus 15d equal to 44 by 4, that is equal to 11. Now we have 4a plus 15d equal to how much? 11. Now that is equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. Now from the equation 3rd and 4th, we are doing something with equation 3rd and 4th. Subtract the equation 4 in equation 3. Subtract equation 4th in equation 3rd. इक्वेशन 4th को क्या करते हैं? सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं। किसमें? इक्वेशन 3rd में। 3rd क्या इक्वेशन? 6a plus 17d is equal to 12. Here what we have right now, equation 4th 4a, but we have do something because we have to equate the equation. तो हम लोग इक्वेशन को कुछ करना पड़ेगा बेटा, तो भी एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा। तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। किससे? इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 6 से, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 4 से। Because if you will multiply here 4a, here 6a, that means a term will be unable to eliminate. So we have to multiply the equation 4 by the coefficient of the a from equation 3rd. इक्वेशन 4 में से 4 और 3 से हमको क्या करना है? a टर्म अगर हम एलिमिनेट करते हैं तो एलिमिनेट करने के लिए हमें क्या देखना पड़ता है? यहाँ 4 है, यहाँ 6 है, तो ये एलिमिनेट नहीं होगा। इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, इस इक्वेशन में अगर हमको a को एलिमिनेट करना है तो a के कोएफिशिएंट से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इक्वेशन 4th को, और 3rd को क्या करते हैं? इक्वेशन 4th में जो a का कोएफिशिएंट है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। सो वी हैव टू राइट, मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? ये 24a प्लस 19d इक्वल टू 24a 6 into 4 24a 15 6 90d इक्वल टू 11 6 66। अब ये क्या हो जाएगा? 6 4 24a 17 into 4 68 68d 17 4 68 equal to 12 4 48. Now we have to subtract this. This will be minus, this will be also minus, and this will be also minus. 24a minus 24a, that will be cancel. 19 minus 68 2. What we have here? What we have here? 8 8 में 6 जाएगा कितना? 2 22d equal to how much? Here 66 minus 48. Here 18. Here d equal to how much? D equal to 22d equal to how much? 22d equal to 18. So d is equal to how much? 18 by 22, that is equal to 9 by 11. So d equal to how much? 9 by 11. That's the value of d. That is the value of d. The value of d equal to how much? 9 by 11. Now we have to write. अब यहां से क्या करना बेटा? a का टर्म फाइंड करना। We have to find out the a, so we have to put the value of d in any equation. हमें d का वैल्यू फाइंड करना, a का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। So put the value of d in equation फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड किसी में डाल देंगे, तो 4th में ही डाल देते हैं 4। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? d 4a plus what the value of d? 9 by 11. 4a plus 15 into 9 by 11 equal to 11. Now from here we have to find the value of a, and then we have to write the third term of the given AP. You have to solve yourself and find the value of a, and you have to find the third term. That means term will be a plus d and a plus 2d. बेटा आप इजी है, यहाँ से आपको a का d का वैल्यू आ गया, a का वैल्यू फाइंड करके a थर्ड टर्म लिखना है, a plus d और a plus 2d। हमको क्या करना बेटा? 10 टर्म तक इसका AP का सम निकालना है। What we have here, a equal to 2, d equal to 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5, That means D equal to how much? D equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. Here we have D equal to 5. And next one, N equal to 10. That means we have to find the sum of given AP of the 10th term. 10 term का क्या करना है? Sum निकालना है. So we have to write here S10. Why we have to write here S10? Because N is here 10. You know very well, Sn equal to N by 2 into 2a plus N minus 1 into D. That is our formula for the Sn. Sn means what? The sum of the nth term. किसी भी AP का कितने तक भी टर्म का सम निकालना हो तो ये क्या है? फॉर्मूला है. So we have to follow that formula. N by 2, that means 10 by 2. 2a by the value of a, 2 into 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 for the value of d, that is the 5. Value of d, that is 5. So we have to write 2 5 is 10. S10 is equal to 5 into 2 2 is 4 plus 9 minus 10 minus 1, that is the 9. Hello? 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 Yes. 9, 10 minus 1, 9 into 5, 45. That is equal to 5 into 45 plus 4, 49. 45 plus 4, 49. That means S10 is equal to 9 5 ja 45. 4 5 4 ja 20 plus 4, 24. 245. So the sum of 10th term of given AP is 245. That is our answer. तो इसमें बेटा इसमें कुछ स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखना है. इस टाइप के सवाल में स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखना है. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में स्टेटमेंट लिखना है एग्जाम में भी. ये हो जाएगा पहला वाला. फाइंड द सम ऑफ गिवन बिलो लाइक दैट. ये भी वही है. सो डोंट वरी. यहाँ पे क्या करना है हमको सेकंड में 7 plus 10 by 10 into 1 by 2 plus 14 लाइक दैट. यहाँ पे ये बराबर क्या हो जाएगा सेकंड क्वेश्चन में? सेकंड क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट 7 plus 10 into 1 by 2 10 plus 14 plus and so on plus 84. That is our given AP. कहाँ तक है? Find the sum of given below. यहाँ तक के सम का यहाँ पर Tn क्या हो गया? 84 हो गया. A equal to how much here? A equal to 7. D equal to 10 into 1 by 2 minus 7. That is equal to 21 by 2 minus 7. For the LCM, that is the 221 minus 14. That means 7 by 2. D equal to how much? 7 by 2. That means 3.5. D equal to 7 by 2. That means 3.5. Now, and Tn equal to how much? Tn equal to 84. Tn equal to how much? 84. That means when we are writing the here Tn, that means nth term of given AP, that is 84. So we have the formula Sn equal to, हमें यहाँ पे n नहीं निकालना है, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You shouldn't have to find out here n. हमको केवल सम निकालना था. फॉर्मूला क्या जानते हैं? Sn equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. A plus Tn. Directly we can sort out this problem. That means Sn equal to here. Sn equal to n by 2. But we don't have the n here. We don't have the n. So we have to find here. Because if there will be n, then we shouldn't have to find out. But here they didn't given the n. Hello. So we have to find out n here. Because we have the Tn, but we don't have n. यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा? अपने को Tn दिया हुआ है, n नहीं दिया हुआ है. So अपने को क्या करना है? n फाइंड आउट करना है. लेकिन क्वेश्चन में क्या रहेगा? कुछ क्वेश्चन में ऐसा रहेगा आपको, हेलो, आपको n दिया हुआ है. You will got the n, you will got the value of n, but you will also in the same time you will also got the value of Tn. So उस समय में आपको ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज नहीं करना है. अगर आपके पास if you have n equal to something and Tn, then always we have to use this formula. अगर आपके पास n है और Tn है तो always हमें यही फॉर्मूला को से सवाल को सॉल्व करना है, ऐसे निकालना है. अगर आपके पास Tn दिया हुआ, हेलो, अगर आपके साथ Tn दिया हुआ है और n नहीं दिया हुआ तो ये फॉर्मूला एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा. सो वी हैव टू, ये फॉर्मूला एप्लीकेबल कब होगा? जब n और Tn दोनों हो. इन दैट कंडीशन वी हैव टू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. अदरवाइज we have to find out n here. So n equal to Tn equal to how much? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What the value of Tn? That is 84. 84 equal to a 7 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 into d. What the value of d? That is 7 by 2. That means what we have? 84 equal to 7 plus 7n by 2 minus 7 by 2. 7n by 2 minus 7 by 2. Now we have 84 minus 7 plus 7 by 2, that is equal to 7n by 2. Now we have what the LCM? LCM we have LCM of 1 and 2, that will be 2. 84 to ja, that means 4 to ja 8. 168 minus 14 plus 7, that is equal to 7n by 2. Now 168 or 168 minus 7, that means minus 14. Otherwise you can add 175 minus 14 by 2, that is equal to 7n by 2. Here 75 minus 14, 161 by 2. 161 by 2, that is equal to 7n by 2. 7n by 2. So here we have to 161 by 2. Hello. 161 by 2 equal to 7n by 2. Hello. 161 by 2, here 2 डिवाइड में है, इधर मल्टीप्लाई में अपॉन 7, that is equal to 8. 2 कैंसिल हो गया. 7 to ja 14. Now remainder 1. 7 3 ja 21. That means here n is equal to 23. What the value of n? That is 23. 23 7 ja 161. So n is equal to here. So n is equal to 23. हेलो, आवाज नहीं आ रहा बीच बीच में. Third one, given a equal to 5, d equal to 3, n equal to 50. N equal to how much? 50. Find n Sn. Equal to n equal to 50. So we have to find out here n. Tn equal to, otherwise you can write here an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 d, that is the 3. An equal to here how much? 50. So 50 is equal to here, 50 is equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3, that means 50 is equal to 5 minus 2, that means 3 plus 3n. Here 50 minus 3 equal to 3n. Here 50 minus 3, that is how much? 47 by 47 equal to 3n. Here n equal to how much? N equal to here 47 by 3. N equal to how much? 47 by 3. Question number 3, first one. Third का first one, given a equal to 5, d equal to 3, an equal to 50. N equal to 50. Now, Tn equal to how much? Tn equal to, that means an equal to how much? A plus n minus 1 into d. Here 50 is equal to how much? 5 plus n minus 1 into 3, that is equal to how much? 50 minus 5 is equal to 3n minus 2. 3n minus 3. 3n minus 3. Here 45 implies, every place we have to put the implied. 45 equal to 3n minus 3. Here 45 plus 3 equal to 3n. Here 48 is equal to 3n. Here 48 upon 3 equal to n. That means 16. Here n equal to how much? 16. What is the value of n? That is the 16. What is the value of n? That is 16. So Sn equal to 16 by 2. n equal to 16, so we have to find out there S16, 16 by 2, a plus tn, a plus, directly we can write, use that formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Directly this formula we have to use. What is the value of n? That is the 16, 16 by 2. What is the value of a? That is the 5 plus an क्या है 50 So we have to write here 8 into 55. That is 8 5 ja 40. 8 5 ja 44. 8 5 ja 40 plus 4. 440. That means S16 is equal to S16 equal to how much? 440. 440. What is the value of S16? That is the 440. Next one.